Students, in previous video, I explained about national development. I continue this one and move forward, and I would like to explain you how we compare different countries or state. Comparing countries, their income is considered to be one of the most important attributes. It means the country which has more income is more developed country and less income is underdeveloped country. Taking this component of income, we compare the different countries or states. However, people which income is more can perform their basic needs or other requirement very well. So all is depend on the income of a particular person. Now, what is the income of a country? Initially, income of the country is the income of all the resident of the country. This gives us the total income of the country. तो हम जब कंपेयर करते हैं किसी देश का तो हम उस देश की इनकम को, नेशनल इनकम को क्राइटेरिया बनाते हैं. अब नेशनल इनकम में हर इंडिविजुअल ऑफ सिटीजन का पार्टिसिपेट होता है और जब हम इस टोटल नेशनल इनकम को डिवाइड करते हैं टोटल पॉपुलेशन ऑफ द कंट्री, वी गेट नेशनल इनकम, that is per capita income. So when we divide total national income by the population of a country, it gets the per capita income. The per capita income, it means the income, average income of a people. This is it means this also known as average income. The country which average income or per capita income is too much, it refers that the particular country is rich or well developed country. And on the other hand, the countries which income is less than requirement of the people, we can say that underdeveloped country. Taking this view, we can compare the different countries as a state of the world. Or in World Development Reports brought out by the World Bank, this criterion is used in classifying countries. वर्ल्ड बैंक ने भी इसी पर कैपिटा इनकम के बेस पर कंट्रीज को क्लासिफाइड किया है. कंट्रीज विद पर कैपिटा इनकम ऑफ US dollar 12,056 per annum. 12,056 per annum is known as developed country. It is a criterion given by the World Bank. On the second one, per capita income of US dollar 955 or less than it are called underdeveloped countries. तो इस तरह से वर्ल्ड बैंक ने कैटेगराइज किया है, दो ग्रुप में बांटा है देश को वर्ल्ड के, एक डेवलप्ड कंट्री, दूसरा अंडर डेवलप्ड कंट्री. डेवलप कंट्रीज जैसा कि पहले ही $12,056 एनुअल पर कैपिटा इनकम, ऑन द अदर हैंड 1820 per annum. So that one is developed countries. India is underdeveloped countries because per capita income of India is, according to 2017, just $1,820 per annum. While the developed countries, to be developed countries, the per capita income should be $12,056 per annum. It means the country like India is middle low income country. On the other hand, Middle East and Middle East countries, excluding Middle East and other countries, is not so much developed because their per capita income is very low than criterion given by World Bank. Generally, we called such country underdeveloped country. I would like to explain this one by giving an example. Suppose a country A and B. I am taking 5 citizens' income. Country A, that is 9,000, take 9,500, 10,000, 900, 9,500, 10,000, and last one 12,000. So you, after adding this one, the total income will be 51,000. When we divide it by 5, it gives us average income 1,020 rupees. On the other hand, 900, 900, 900, 900, and fifth citizen's income is 1,500. It also gives us 151,000, and divided by 5, it gives us 10,020 per capita income. It shows that the average income is the same for both the countries, but countries B is better than country A. Now that's all. Thank you very much. I see you next video.